Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno4 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you'll find additional settings right here. Let's tap on it and let's scroll down to the backup and reset option. Let's tap here, and as you can see here we've got the whole Google Backup section. Now the backup is off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see the backup accounts are active, so we can tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's click on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and after that click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, simply tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's click on OK. And as you can see here we've got our newly added backup account, and from now on all the content will be stored in your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.